In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can turn on or off your sensitivity content showing on your X or Twitter app. So what you need to do first is go to on your X or Twitter app, open up. After that, you need to go to on your profile. Okay, after clicking on profile, you need to go to on last option right here, settings and support. You need to open this up. After that, you need to click on settings and privacy. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video to turn on sensitivity content on your device. So what you need to do next is click on your privacy and safety option. After that, you need to click on this option right here that shows content you see. Okay, decide what you see on X based on your preference. After clicking on this, you can see here is an option display media that may contain sensitive content. You need to turn this on. Okay, first step is done. After that, you need to click on the search settings. After clicking on that, you need to click on this hide sensitive content like that so that it will turn off. After doing that, you are ready to go. You can see your sensitive content on X app. Okay, so this is how you can see or turn on or off your sensitivity content on X app. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel. Peace.